Okay, so when Phase 4 was made, I expected Mr. Fun Computer to sound like this. Because Horror Mr. Funk, because Phase 3 Mr. Fun Computer sounded like this.
Would you like to have some fun?
Which, if you don't know how to make, is two. You had to make it 2 times slower.
Come on,
1,
come on,
2, and then add a robot effect,
come on. Gossip
and
along.
bam. So I thought that Phase 4 would be that the Phase 2 with those 2 slowdowns and the robot effect, like this. But no, we just got static instead. And I really don't like that.
Hello, would you like to have some fun? Come on,